CleanSpark is up 17%, and last week we called this out as a dip buy opportunity because it was meeting all of our criteria. First and foremost, the monthly BX trender, which you can see at the bottom of your screen, was showing buying pressure. Now, this happens when we see the monthly BX trender increasing in momentum or turning green. When this happens, this meets our first criteria of our trading strategy. This means the stock is therefore added to the watch list and we look to potentially take a position. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, as you said, bottom of the screen, monthly BX is currently green. You'll also notice following our strategy that both of our dip buying opportunity indicators are currently showing that this is at an extreme discount. That is going to be with the smart money zone seated here between $10.22 to about $9.56. And you'll also notice that the market bias or the fair value zone is currently seated between $13 to $10.35. When we are trading under this fair value bias, it means we are in a short-term downtrend. When we are trading over it, it means that we are in a short-term uptrend. So each and every single time we pull back into this trend level is normally a good time for us to go long. And that's how we were able to play this breakout on CleanSpark back in the summer for over a 100% profit. I've made tons of videos about this in the past, so go back and check it out. Now, the last thing that you will notice about this chart is that the point of control on the volume profile, which you can get access to all of these indicators, including this volume profile completely for free down in the description, was seated right here at $9.50. That red point of control represents the price level with the highest traded volume over the past 150 weeks. And this is going to be one of the strongest supports and strongest resistances that we have in the market. And that is why I bought into CleanSpark last week. Currently, I have 15,000 shares at an average price of $10.51. I'm up about 10% right now. And in my opinion, as long as the monthly BX trender continues to hold green, I think there's a good chance, about 55 to 65%, that price is going to continue to break out to $15 and maybe even up to $19. If that doesn't happen, if support breaks, if earnings is trash, if the monthly BX ends up closing red, then we will move on, take the loss, and find something else to trade. If you want to get access to all of the indicators that we use in these videos, as well as learn how to implement them within the strategy, go ahead and check out the link to our trading library down below. You'll get access to the BX trender, the smart money mastery and smart money zones, and the volume profile. Each course shows you how to actually set up the indicators, the proprietary settings. Over 20,000 students have implemented this into their trading system and are seeing consistent profits from as low as $10,000 all the way up to over $3 million. The link will be in the description.